Memphis.
So quick update, rear rotor is done and pads. Started on the headlights, just one pass has really brought them out a little bit more. So all I'm doing is using one of 3M's discs. I believe it's a 6,000 grit sandpaper or wet sand. So even just from what I did a little bit ago, you know, the cloudiness is normal. And so now what I'm going to be using is Griot's Garage Fast Correcting Cream. And this is going to break down, you know, the scratches that are making it hazy even into more fine increments, and we'll get that shine out. And obviously I already took off the bumper. I have a new bumper over there to put on, and should be one of the last steps. All right, so I put a little bit of that fast correcting cream from Griot's Garage on here, and then I'll just work it in with the orange pad. Pass. This is kind of what they were before. This is what they are after. Tell it's a huge difference. Opens up the face of the car for sure. And that's just with one pass. I mean, I moved up to the DA with the orange pad, but I mean, I could keep refining it if I wanted to, but I think that's a good spot enough. So yeah, if you guys wanted to do something like that, I mean, pretty simple, and that's quite the difference. So all right, on to the next one and get the headlights knocked off the list. All right, guys, this is what she looks like. Cleaned up and kind of put together a little bit. Pretty basic, but yeah, that'll end the video for this one. Everything was basically replaced except for the front bumper. They gave me a rabbit bumper instead, so I did the pads. Rotors were good, so I just did the pads and buffed it out. It looks pretty good. All right, guys, on to the next one. Take care.